Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class, I am going to continue the topic large numbers in the exercise 2. Here, in previous class, I explained about number systems and how to write the number names based depends on number systems. By using number systems, we can write number names. Now, here I will continue remaining topic here. Here in exercise 2, first question. Write the place value of underlying digit. Write the place value of underlying digits by using Indian system. Here see, first question is given as, here one number is given. Now what is the underlying number here? Underlying digit is 8. Now this number, this is 32 crores, 58 lakhs, 72,532. In this underlying digit is 8. Then what is the value of 8? You see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. 8 is in lakhs place. 8 is in lakhs place. Then the place value of 8 is 8 into lakh. 8 into lakh. How we will get place value? Place value is equal to face value. Here face value is 8 and value of the place. What is the value of the place? Here that is in lakhs. Lakhs place. So lakhs place into face value. The face value is 8. Face value into value of the place gives place value. So the total place value is 8 into lakh is equal to 8 lakhs. So here see 8 is in lakhs place. So then the place value of 8 is 8 lakhs. Now one more example. Here see, here underline digit 5. What is the place value of 5? Here see, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. The 5 is placed at the 10 lakhs place. So then, what is the place value of 5? Underline digit 5. What is the place value of underline digit 5? Is equal to 5. Then here 5 is the face value is the 5 and the value of place is 10 lakhs. Then face value into value of the place 10 lakhs is equal to 5 into 10 lakhs is equal to 50 lakhs. So then value of place value of 5 is 50 lakhs. Now here once again ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 5 is in 10 lakhs place. So then it will become 50 lakhs. This value of 5 is 50 lakhs. Such a way we can give place value of each digit in the number. Next question is, write the numbers in expanded form. We can expand the number and write in expanded form. Here see, what is the question here? 18 crore 72 lakhs 57,328. This number write in expanded form. Here 1 is in 10 crores place. So 10 crores. 1 tens 10 crores place. 8 is in crores place. So when 8 is in crores place, the place value becomes 8 crores. Next, 7 is in 10 lakhs place. So its value is 70 lakhs. Next, 2 is in lakhs place. Then its value is 2 lakhs plus. Next, 5 is in 10,000 place. Then its value is 50,000. Now 7 is in thousands place. Then its place value is 7,000. Next comes to 3. 3 is in hundreds place. Its value is 300. Now 2 is in tens place. Its place value is 20. Then 8 is in ones place. Its value 8 1 8 only. So this is the expanded form of given number. See, 10 crores plus 8 crores, total 18 crores. Next year, 70 lakhs plus 2 lakhs, 72 lakhs. Next, 50,000 plus 7,000, 57,000. Next, 300 plus 20 plus 8, 328. Such a way we can write the given number in expanded form. Now, if the number is given in expanded form, then we can write in number. In numerals, we expanded form to numerals. Here see, given 80, expanded form is given here. 80 crores plus 2 crores plus 40,000 plus 9. Here see how to write in numerals. Here see 80 crores plus crores place. The crores period 80 crores plus 2 crores. Total is 82 crores. Crores period is over. We are writing in Indian system now. Two digits in each period. 80 crores plus 2 crores. 82 crores over. Next, lakhs period. After crores period, lakhs period. There is no lakhs period is given here. Not there in the lakhs place is not here given. So no lakhs place here. So that is why 10 lakhs place is 0 and lakhs place is 0. Then total lakhs period is 0, 0, 0. 10 lakhs place 0, 0. No, not given. You should write, must write 0, 0. And next comma, next 40,000 is given. 40,000 is given. 40,000. There is no thousands place. So only 40,000. 10,000 place over there. 40,000. Just 40,000. No thousands place. 40,000. Now next, no 100 place. No 100th place. No 10th place. Only 9 is given. So then we will get from this expanded form, you will get number is 82 crores 40,009. That's all the number we can write from expanded form to numerals. Next, one more example. 8 crores 26 lakhs 28,708. Then how to write? 8 crores. 8 crores in crores place, comma. Next comes lakhs place. Indian system we are writing. Then lakhs place 26 lakhs. Okay, it is in 26 lakhs. 2 digits over. Next 28,000. Yes, 2 digits are there. 2 is no thousands with period. 28,000. Next comes to 700. 700. Next tens place. One's period is 100's place, 110's place, and one's place. 100 place is 7. Tens place is not given, 0. If any place value is not given, you must write 0 at that place. Now 0 and last one, one's place is 8. Now what the number you got from this expanded form? 8 crore 26 lakhs 28,708. Now by using all this from this chapter, what we learn, we can fill in the blanks. Here see 1 meter. Yesterday I explained, I compared that Indian system and international system. So from that we can write all these blanks here. See first one, 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? Yesterday I told in the comparison of table two systems. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Next, 1 million is equal to how many thousands? You know, 10 lakhs is equal to 100,000. 10 lakhs, lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakhs, 10 hundreds. Lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakhs, 10 hundred thousands. Total how much is? Thousands. 1 million is equal to thousands. Now comes to crore. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Yesterday's tables we observed that 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Here 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Each million is 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Here see 10 into million is 10 lakhs. Here see 10 into 10 million. 10 million is 10 lakhs. 10 into 10 lakhs. That is equal to 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs. Each lakh is 1000. Each lakh is 10 lakhs means 1000 thousands. Total 10 thousands is equal thousands. 10,000 thousands. 10,000 thousands. Once again, 1 crore is equal to, you see 1 crore is equal to 10 million. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So 10 into 10 lakhs. 10 into 10 lakhs. Now you know lakh is equal to what? 100,000. 100,000 into 10. So 10 lakhs means 10 hundreds. 1,000. 1,000 into 10, 10,000. So 1 crore is equal to finally 10,000 thousands. 10,000 thousands. How many thousands are in 1 crore? That is equal to 10,000 thousands. Next, 1 billion. 1 billion is, billion comes next to millions. So not given in place called chapter. Actually, billion comes next place of millions. You know that million is equal to 10 lakhs. Here let's see 1 million. 10 million is equal to next 10 million. 100 millions. Last one. Million. 10 million. Million. 10 million. 100 million. Next place is billion. So here after 10 million water, 100 million water, 1000 million. So 100 millions 10 times. Each place 10 times. Next place to previous place. Next place to previous place. 10 times, 10 times, 10. So place value changing 10 times. Next place and previous place is 10 times. Previous place for that previous place is 10 times. So each 10 times is increasing. Here see 100 million. Millions place, million, millions period, million, 10 million, 100 million. Next 100 million, next comes to billion. That means 100 million 10 times is billion. So 100 million 10 times means 1000 millions is 1 billion. Once again I repeat here, 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. You know that yesterday table. Next previous table, 1 million is equal to 1000 thousands. And 1 crore is equal to 10 billion, and 1 crore is equal to 10,000 thousands. 1 billion is equal to 1,000 millions. That's all for now. We'll discuss next remaining topic in next class. Thank you.